G'day guys! Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about igneous rocks. They're one of the three types of rocks that you need to know about as part of geology, and also they'll help you with your upcoming mission to Mars expedition. The three types of rocks that we're going to cover in this series are igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. But today we're just looking at igneous rocks. So igneous rocks, what are they? What do they look like? How are they formed? And what types are there? There's some questions that we should probably try and find the answers to today. So igneous rocks are formed when molten magma or molten lava, both different types of volcanic material, which is hot molten rock, begin to solidify and cool when they form rocks. There's two different processes by which this happens. They form two different sets of igneous rocks. The first set is intrusive igneous rocks. These happen, the crystallization process happens below Earth's surface. There it's still quite hot, and so this process is a slow cooling process. It takes a long time for these rocks to form. This slow cooling process allows large crystals to form. You'll do a lab or a demonstration in your class where you'll form crystals, and you'll notice the difference in the crystals that are formed between the slow cooling and the fast cooling crystals. The slow cooling crystals are larger. Some examples of intrusive igneous rocks are diorite, gabbro, granite, pegmatite, and peridotite. All of these are intrusive igneous rocks. They form underground in slow cooling processes. The next type or class of igneous rocks that you need to know about are extrusive igneous rocks. These are formed when a volcano erupts. The lava or the magma, the hot molten rock, is erupted onto the surface or spewed forth onto the surface. Here, the temperature difference between the hot inner Earth and the outside, the ambient atmosphere temperature, is quite great. So they cool really quickly. Because they cool quickly, they form very small crystals. Some cool so quickly that they actually form more of an amorphous glass. So not really a rock, but an in-between state between a solid and a liquid. Types of extrusive igneous rocks include andesite, basalt, obsidian, pumice, rhyolite, scoria, and tuff. You might have even seen some of these rocks before. So, when we get to it, igneous rocks are rocks that are formed from the process of cooling magma or cooling lava. They can be formed on top of the Earth or onto the surface, and in that case they're called extrusive igneous rocks. They can also be formed under the Earth where it's hotter and the cooling process is a lot slower. They are called intrusive igneous rocks. Thanks.